Tell the time. Learning minutes in English. Today, we will learn how to read clocks, say the hours and minutes, and talk about when things start and end. Let's begin. Hours first, then minutes. When we tell the time, we always say the hour first, and then the minutes. Step 1. Look at the shorthand. That is the hour. Step 2. Look at the longhand. That shows the minutes. Step 3. Say them together. Hour, then minutes. Practice this every time you read a clock.
It is 9:23. The shorthand points to 9. The longhand shows 23 minutes. So we say, it is 9:23. Hour first, then minutes.
Example 2. It is 11:15. When the minute hand points to the 3, that means 15 minutes past the hour. We can say this two ways, 11:15 or a quarter past 11. Both are correct. It is 9:30. When the minute hand points to the 6, it means 30 minutes have passed. This is halfway through the hour. We can say 9:30 or half past 9. Example 4. It is 1:45. When the minute hand points to the 9, that means 45 minutes past the hour. We are 15 minutes away from the next hour. We can say 1:45 or a quarter to 2. Example 5. It is 11:05. When the minutes are between 1 and 9, we say O before the number. So 11:05 is 11:05. We can also say 5 past 11. Remember, say O for single-digit minutes. Example 6. When does basketball practice start? The schedule says 1:15 p.m. to 2:15 p.m. We look at the start time. It starts at 1:15. Remember, always use the word at before the time. Say, it starts at 1:15. Example 7. When does the show end? The schedule says 7:30 p.m. to 9:45 p.m. We look at the end time. It ends at 9:45. Don't forget to use at. Example 8. When does the baseball game start? The schedule says 2:35 p.m. to 3:50 p.m. We use the start time. It starts at 2:35. Hour first, then minutes. Your turn. Now it's time to practice. Read each question carefully. Look at the schedule. Say the hour first, then the minutes. And always use at before the time. You can do it. Question 1. When does your English class start? The schedule says 6:25 p.m. to 7:10 p.m. It starts at 6:25. Question 2. When does your chess match end? The schedule says 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. It ends at 10:30 or half past 10. Both are correct. Question 3. When does your tennis class start? The schedule says 8:05 a.m. to 9:05 a.m. The minutes are 05, so we say it starts at 8:05 or 5 past 8. Question 4. When does the beach volleyball game end? The schedule says 3 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. It ends at 4:15 or a quarter past 4. Question 5. When does your computer class start? The schedule says 11:35 p.m. to 12:15 p.m. It starts at 11:35. Question 6. When does your drum class end? The schedule says 3:45 p.m. to 4:45 p.m. It ends at 4:45 or a quarter to 5. Great work! You've learned how to tell the time. Remember, 15 minutes, a quarter past. 30 minutes, half past. 45 minutes, a quarter to the next hour. For minutes between 1 and 9, say O before the number. Keep practicing every day. Look at clocks around you and say the time in English. Amazing job! Star!